Alright, man. So tell me, who is your favorite music artist?
Jason Aldean.
Jason Aldean. Alright. And tell me, what do you want to be when you grow up? Outside of a singer, what else?
An artist.
Be an artist? Do you want to do like paints or sculpture?
Yes.
What's some stuff that you've already drawn or painted before?
I've been doing video art in 1 second place, like time.
Ooh, 1 second place in radio art, huh? Hey, not bad, not bad. Well, tell us, what are you going to do as your second song tonight?
I'm going to sing Night Train.
Night Train. Well, are you ready, man? Well, here comes Memphis Wells singing Night Train.
About you all day, baby. Waiting on the sun to go down. What you say, pick you up after work. Side on the hills and on the outskirts of town. Got a blanket and a bit of comfort. A little something knock off the edge. Supposed to be a little bit tonight, but I'm gonna have to hold you tight. Let's go. By mama, 4 Mill Road, that spot nobody knows. Park the truck and we take off running. Hurry up, girl, here it comes. Got a moon and a million stars. Sound stealing old boxcars. That you drive me insane. Come on, baby, let's go listen to the night train. Yeah, I hope it's gonna be one. If we're lucky, it's moving slow. Don't you say to pick you up after work? Side on the by mama, 4 Mill Road. That spot nobody knows. Park the truck and we take off.